Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello fellas,
Check the mic and make sure
it's a beautiful weather today, and problem at hand is something else. Problem is that we have this bike in which the speed is controlled not by the cassette, but rather it's a hub that has different gears inside, and this thing here is the speed controller by pulling the wire which runs inside this conduit, and it doesn't control very well because it's probably jammed inside. It's controlled by tightening or loosening this grip, and on one side it gets really tight, on the other side it's pretty free. So that's what we are going to correct that today. So guys, let's go on to it, but before that, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of the latest upcoming videos. Let's move forward. So step number 1, we are going to take this off, and it's really simple. This screw right here at the back, just loosen it up all the way and then pull this out, and it seems to be pretty gunky. Look at this, the grease has all, I don't know, thickened up, and that probably causes, you know, the dampening of, or the how hard the gears can be changed. By the way, these are two things. One is this outer the hollow thing, and then we have this nice little rod. So let's get started. Also take out this red thing. It's stuck in here, so you have to just pull it down to get it out. So let's wash all these three things in the degreaser. Don't forget to wear the gloves. So you see, they look pretty clean. I will still add another step and try to do a little cleaning with the sandpaper. So now, if you see, after cleaning this all, if you insert this,
check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
It's pretty springy. It comes back with the spring action. Earlier it was like kind of stuck inside. This is a good sign. So here, like I said, this protrusion right here needs to go in that slit, just like this. Push it all the way so that you'll hear this click sound. So it's like oily, you didn't hear that, but that means the click sound comes from the locking of this red thing. So now it's kind of locked, and the next step is that you have to align this thing, this one, with that red snug. So I'm pushing it all the way in and just wiggle it a bit so it will be all inside. Let me show you from the top. So you see, it was like this before. I pushed it all the way in, and now you have to tighten this screw. This screw needs to be tightened. Keep it pressed and then tighten it all the way. Okay, so now is the interesting part. We have done that, and it seems like it's pretty fixed, But now we have to adjust the tension in the wire, this wire that is controlled by this grip. So in almost all of the bikes, what you will see is, let me focus this thing, that you see the gears here, they're shown right now it's at 2, but you have to bring it, almost in all of the bikes you have to bring it at 4. And how do I know that? Look at that. So right now it's 3, right? And if you bring it at 4, it has an arrow on the side, and sometimes it would be an arrow and sometimes it's colored red. That's the indication that that's kind of the middle part of where you want to adjust the tension in this wire. So bring that to this level. It's 4. Okay, and now come back to skip back to this hub. Here you can clearly see 2 triangles. I hope you can see that right there. Triangle number 1 and triangle number 2. What you want to do is get hold of this screw and adjust it left or right. Let me adjust the focus. Adjust it left or right till the point that the 2 triangles are facing each other. You'll see they start to move. Okay, this looks good. You see that? Both the triangles are just coinciding. So guys, it seems like we have fixed the hub gear adjustment. So let's call it a day. Back to the nice weather. See you later guys. Bye.